Let's take a look at the latest HMI upgrade on our ProPack vertical form fill seal system. The widescreen Allen Bradley Optix panel is all about making changeovers quicker, troubleshooting clearer, and keeping the line running smoothly. From the main screen, the essentials are right where you expect them. Quick setup gives you the most used adjustments in just a few taps, heat settings, voiding time, and other key controls. This means faster, confident adjustments without digging through menus, less idle time, more bags out the door. If something needs attention, you'll know straight away. Jump into current alarms for the detail, what's happened, where, and how to clear it. And with alarm history, patterns become obvious. That means fewer repeat faults and smarter maintenance planning. Live stats keep you in the know, bag rate, performance, and trends at a glance. Operators see the impact of each adjustment in real time, so you can hit target rates sooner and hold them steadier. Recipe changes are also available in just a few clicks. The user can select from preset recipes to the FAF out of changeovers and keeps quality consistent between shifts. When you need a refresher, training's built in. The video library covers the everyday jobs, film and former changeovers included, so new operators get up to speed quickly, and experienced ones can double-check without calling for help. And if you need to get into the details, the full user manual is right here on the HMI. Search, scroll, and solve. No hunting for a binder or carrying over a laptop. The Setup tab breaks the machine down part by part. Tap a component to see a clear photo and the relevant settings, like backseal temperatures, so you're adjusting the right thing first time. It's faster, and it reduces trial and error. Maintenance gets a proper workspace too, advanced setup options where you need them, plus a service schedule built in, with your service history at a glance. Plan work during natural stops, and keep the line healthy without surprise downtime. For deeper dives, the electrical drawings and spare parts manual are a tap away. Techs can trace a circuit, find a part number, and get what they need sorted quickly, less time diagnosing, more time producing. So that's the upgrade: clearer controls, smarter guidance, and support at your fingertips. Fewer delays, easier training, and a smoother day on the line.